Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel lecture series on microcontroller and ARM processor. I am Ganga Devi and I will be going to explain how to write an assembly language program for multiplication of two 8-bit numbers using 8085 microprocessor. So this is a program for multiplication of two 8-bit numbers. So how I already explained how to load the data for division of two 8-bit numbers. The same manner I have used for multiplication of two 8-bit number also. So after loading the data, you have to go for a repeated addition process. So multiplication is a repeated addition. If you want to multiply 4 into 3, 4 times you have to do addition of 3, so that you will get the answer is 12. Okay, so this is a repeated addition process that we have to remember. So before you start doing the program. Okay, so I'll start with the coding first. You can load the first data into 4500. So here the HL is used to store my memory address 4500. The 4500 contains the first 8-bit data. Okay, so here this will be moved to the B register. And same way I'm going to use accumulator for clearing this, clear the accumulator, and then move the content of accumulator to the C register. Okay, this I'm loading my second data. So I'll just explain with the table so that you can easily understand. The first address is 4500. I'm going to multiply 4 into 3. So the 4 is my first 8-bit data. I will have been loaded into the address of 4500. The next address I'm going to increment your HL power by 1. So you have 4501 and I'm going to load my second 8-bit data. Okay, after getting two 8-bit data, so you can do for a repeated addition process. Okay, so before proceeding the addition process, I can understand this. The memory address has a value of first data that will be moved to the B register. So the B register also contains a data of 4. Okay, then the accumulator I am just clearing it. So the accumulator has a value of 0 now. The data available in accumulator you will be moving to the C register. So C register also has a value of 0. Okay, the next step, increment H. I am going to increment your HL power by 1, that is 4500 into 4501 to load my second data. So 4501 I am going to load my second data. The second data is nothing but 3, right? So after completing these steps, you can go for adding. Okay, addition process. So add M in the sense you are going to add the data in the memory to the accumulator. So what is the data available in the memory? The data available in memory is 3. They are going to use 4 times 3. Okay, 4 times you are going to add 3333 so that you will get the value of 12. Okay, so the data available in the memory 4501 is 3. You are going to add this with the accumulated data. So what is accumulated data? The accumulated data has a value of 0. So 0 plus 3 is, you will get the answer as 3. That is the first step, right? Jump if no carry. Okay, you can decrement your B register. There is no carry generated when you add addition of two 8-bit numbers like 03 and 0. When you after performing the addition process, if there is no carry, jump if no carry, you can decrement your B register by 1. So B register, what is the data? The data is 4. The 4 you are going to decrement by 1 so that you will get the value of 3, right? Then you can use jump if no 0. Then again you can perform your repeated addition process. Okay, jump if no 0, because the B register is not reaches to 0, right? So once it reaches to 0, then you can stop this process and you can store the result, right? So jump if no 0, again you will be going to perform this addition operation. So what is the addition operation? So you are going to add the data which is available in the memory address of 4501 with the accumulated data. So what is the accumulated data? The accumulated data is 3. So 3 you are going to add with the value of 3, right? So 3 plus 3 you will get 6 as a result. Okay, this is the second step, right? Again you will be doing a jump if no carry. If after performing this, if there is no carry generated, you can go to the skip. Okay, then the skip, what you do, you just decrement your B registered by 1, so it becomes 2 now. Okay, and check jump if no 0. Okay, the B register not reaches to 0 because it is the value of 2. Again you do a repeated addition. So you can go to the loop here and again you add the data available in memory with the accumulator value. So what is the data available in the memory? The data available in the memory is 3. Okay, and what is the accumulated data? The accumulated data is 6 now, right? So if you add 6 plus 3, you will get the value of 9. That is the third step. Clear? Again you do jump if no carry. Okay, go to the skip and decrement your B register. You are decrementing your B register by 1, so it become 1 now. Jump if no carry, again you do a repeated addition. Okay, so it will go to add M. Add M in the sense you are going to add the memory data with the accumulated data. So what is the data available in the memory is 3 and the accumulated data is 9. So you are going to perform 9 plus 3, it becomes 12. So that is a fourth step. Okay, and you check jump if no carry. Again you go to skip and decrement your B register. Jump if no not equal to 0. Okay, so jump if no carry, what will happen? It will decrement your B register by 1. So it will decrement your B register by 1, in the sense the answer will be 0. Right? Jump if no 0, then only it will go to the loop. Now we can see the 0 is the 0 is attained in the B register, right? So jump if no 0, then it will do the repeated addition. Once it reaches 0, it will come out from this loop, right? So it will come out from this and it will store the result into 4502. So what is the result you will get in 4502? The 4502, it will store the data which is available in the accumulator, right? So the 12 is a result which will be loaded in the address of 4502. You are going to store this value into 4502. And the carry, there is no carry generated, so whatever the data available in the carry flag, that will be moved to the accumulator. So based on this data, there is no carry generated. The 4 into 3, if you multiply, you will get the value of 12, but there is no carry generated. So there is no carry, you can give the value will be 0, right? So this 0 value will be moving to the accumulator, and the accumulated data will be stored in the address of 4503. So at the end, what we can say is, you can see the result, the multiplication result you can see in 4502, and the carry data you can see in 4503. So you have to remember that the multiplication of two 8-bit numbers is a repeated addition process. So you have to repeatedly add the data. Okay, so if it is 3 times 4, 3 times you have to add 444, then you become the value, you will get the result of 12. Okay, in that way you have to make the assembly language program for multiplication of two 8-bit numbers. Thank you for watching.